If your Samsung S24 Ultra is not working properly and if you're upset with the performance, would like to go ahead with the factory data reset, how do you do that? We're going to see in this video. If you're new to this channel, can you subscribe this channel? And without much delay, to do the factory data reset or any kind of reset, immediately you have to get into your top right corner. This is the settings icon. Tap it here. Upon tapping, you will be entering into the settings option here. Under the menu section of settings, you will have so many options. Just scroll up at the end, you will find this option for general management. Under the general management, just tap it here. Upon tapping, you'll find again so many options here very clearly. Just scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. There would be an option straight away given for reset of all those things. Just go and tap it on reset. Upon tapping, you will be entering into reset, and under the reset there will be again so many options given here. Reset all settings, reset mobile network settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, reset accessibility settings. But out of all, there is nothing related to factory data reset. But if you observe the end would be having this factory data reset. Just under the reset at the end, you'll be finding this on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Just tapping on here would come up with some information here. Just having just scroll up, scroll up, scroll up under the factory data reset, and at the end you'll have this option for reset. Just tap it on this reset. This would ask you to again go ahead with some disclaimer like doing factory data reset would erase all the data whichever is there on your mobile. So if you are still okay with that one, you can go and just do it with the factory data reset by just tapping here. That's so easy to go ahead with the factory data reset. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe to the channel, like and share the video.